let's take a new project. So for that, we will import a file. For example, from stock media, we'll take something. Okay. Above this one, we will add some element. From elements, we can add, or I will import from my computer.
There is no option for elements. Before it was there.
But those elements sometimes there will be a customized animation sometimes, so we cannot create our own. So I'll just drop something from my computer. Or even from here, I can just take something like cute dog. Okay. So let's take this one. Okay, so I will drop it here. And this one, now it is whole screen. Okay, let's decrease the size. Okay, but the decreasing also we will make like animation. For example, this is in full screen now. Okay, so we will bring this one to a smaller size with animation so that we can see the background also. Okay, so for that, what we can do, we'll just place the cursor in the first position, double click, then come to this animation. So here, okay, actually earlier in the previous version, in the animation tab, you will find the custom animations. But now they move to basic only, in the basic page only. Wherever make some change, there if you want to animate it, prior to change, before changing, you need to add keyframe. Then in the next, after 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 1 minute, you add another. Actually, you don't need to add another keyframe for the second action. Only first time you need to add a keyframe. So for example, here, I want to change the scale, size. I want to reduce the size. So first I will add one keyframe here, like X and Y. I think you know X and Y. X and Y means width and height. Okay.
Width and
yeah. So now here I added, so it is fixed here. After how many? Maybe 3 seconds. Okay. So I want to go to, if you look at here, can you see the mouse where I am showing?
Yes.
Here you can see the time. This is 3 seconds, 4 frames. But I want to keep it exactly at 3 seconds. So I can just press left arrow. So one arrow, it moves to 1 frame before. Okay, now I am exactly at 3 seconds time frame. Okay, now here what I do, I just add another keyframe, but I don't need to add. I just reduce the size. Automatically keyframe has been added here. See that diamond. So now I'm reducing the size. Okay. Now also for the position, I forgot to add keyframe at the end, at the beginning, but now I will add, no problem. First I'll go to beginning. Then for the position also, I will add, position also, I will add keyframe. Then I'll go to same position where I move here. Okay. Then I want to see in bigger view to go to exactly that frame. So I can increase the zoom from here. So I can know exactly. Now I press right arrow on my keyboard to go to that exact frame. So if we zoom in, we can go to the particular frame. Otherwise, if we work in long view, we cannot identify where is the this indicator, timeline indicator. Okay. So now we are in the exact position where we change the size. So here we change the position also. Now I'll put this one in one corner. Okay. Now let's see the animation. So it was like this. Now I'm pressing spacebar to play the animation. It comes like that. So this is just an example. Whatever you want to animate by changing size or by moving here and there, you can use this keyframe animation. First, you need to set the keyframe, then move forward, then change the position or size, rotation, everything. Then it will be animated automatically. Sometimes you need to rotate some kind of like, snow or some flowers. Okay, we'll do that animation now. But here, see, this is black. Okay, let's try to remove the background. Okay, because if I remove the background, it matches with the background of this one.
Yes.
So let's try that one. So AI tools.
Chroma key.
Yeah, I will enable chroma key. Then I select this black. Okay, I think it's working fine. Yeah, see, remove. Okay. Now let me play. Here that is not good, but let's play. It's not that much good. So in real projects, try to take from green screen so it will work properly. Or if it is like a still image in Photoshop.
Green screen will be work. No, otherwise black sometime it will not work
Yeah,
proper way.
because it is mixed. It's not same black. It's mixed.
Yeah.
But there are some options here. See, if you go to here, there you can try to adjust by making some change here. Sometimes it works, but sometimes it doesn't. From here, it is little better. It's not good now. So edge thickness, it is little better, but not good. Okay, so better to get the original image or the green screen one. Okay?
Green screen one, yeah.
There are something like cutout that we will see later. There are some options like cutout we can remove using the AI tools, but let's see how it works. That one that we'll see later. Now I'll just press reset. Okay. Now I was okay. 1 minute. Okay, I was telling about animating a flower. Okay, let's take that one. Okay, actually here I'm not getting that flower without background. So I want to get a flower without background. So for that better I will open Google. Then I will download a PNG file. In the stock images, those are with background. So better to get from Google flower PNG. So PNG, if we get PNG, mostly we will have without any background. See, like this. So maybe like this. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, let's download. This is still image, but we will animate it by rotating.
Some PNG will not work properly.
Yeah, let's see. This is 7.37 MB. So yeah, ready now. Okay, so I have the file in downloads folder. Okay, let me open and see whether it is having transparent background or not. Yeah, this is having transparent background. Good. Okay, so I will place this one. For now, I'll just delete this one. Okay, so I want to place only the picture. I go to media. Then here I want to tell you something. This is project media. This is like folder. Okay. For example, you have some elements you want to use for any other project also. That time you need to import in global media. Okay. So global media means when you close the file, when you reopen for the new project, still you can access the the imported files. Okay. So here we have another cloud media. So cloud media means you can upload some files in cloud, then you can access from anywhere, even outside. Okay. For that you need to upload. Okay. So this is cloud. Then adjustment layer, this we will see later. Okay. Now I want to use this flower. Okay, I can use this flower for other experiments also. So I will import in global media. Okay, so here beautiful flower is here. So let me import. Then I am dragging to the timeline. So I want to keep like an overlay. So I will put
why you took from global media? I
because
didn't get you.
I will tell you. See, this one I imported in global media. Global media means whatever we imported here, it
Okay.
will be available for any project in the future we are going to do. So we don't need to
Oh,
import again and again.
it
Okay,
will be there, eh?
it will be there.
Oh,
Yeah.
uh-huh.
If I don't want to use this flower and if I want to use this flower only for this project, after closing, I don't need. In such case, I can import in
Project
project media
media.
one. Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
But it will be there in project media and also it will be added to global media because we are using in this project also.
When I will open new project also, it will be there.
Yes, because we
Global media.
yes, yes. Yeah. If you want to have that common
Mm.
templates or common images, always
Mm.
import in global media.
Okay.
Okay. So now okay, let me okay for at the beginning the size was like this. Okay, we will decrease the size by animating. So double click, then basic. Let's add a keyframe here. Okay, so this is here. After maybe this much time, then I'll just reduce the size. Okay, then again I forgot to keep the position. So I keep the position in the first place, in the first frame. I'm keeping in
Mm.
bigger size and in the center. After few seconds, again I want to see in bigger size, so I increase the zoom size. Then yeah, I can use this arrows to make sure I am in the correct position. Okay.
Mm.
Now here I added a keyframe for the position, so I can move little up. Now see the animation. So first in bigger size. Okay. Now slowly it moves and it decreases the size. Okay. Then after reaching, we want to rotate it. Okay.
Mm.
So there is one option for rotation. If you look at
Mm.
here, we will add a keyframe here. Okay. This is starting position. Okay.
Mm.
Then that rotation should continue at the end of this overlay until the end. So for that,
Mm.
I just go here, but I don't need to move. If I want to go at the end, I can just press down arrow on my keyboard. Okay.
Okay.
Now I reach down arrow, but still the flower is not showing. That means I exit that overlay. So I need to go to
Mm.
one frame before. So I use left arrow until I reach that frame. Okay. I am in
Mm.
the last frame of that flower overlay. Okay.
Mm.
So here I need to rotate this one. For example, if I rotate, like if I enter 360 degrees, okay, only one rotation will be happen. Let's see. I will play here. See, from here to here, it rotated
Mm.
one time. Okay, up to
Mm.
360 degrees. Okay.
Mm.
What if you want to rotate speed? So you can rotate again. Just you mention here one
Mm.
more time. For example, here I put here the cursor at the end. Now I can rotate more also like this. See, I can increase not only 360 degrees.
Mm.
So the more number you put, the speed will be more. Okay. Now let's play. See how fast it is rotating because we
Mm.
have more values, big number in the rotate category. Okay.
Mm.
That's the difference. To make it slow, you have to keep the lower number, maybe 90 degrees, or let's try
Mm.
with 100 only. But before changing that one, we'll go to the end point because it will count from starting point to end point only. We should not make
Mm.
change in between. If we change in between up to that area, it will rotate slowly, then again it will move fast.
Mm.
Okay, now I will go to the last frame by pressing down arrow. Then again I'm pressing left arrow.
Mm.
Okay, now I'm here. Okay, now I will change this one to just 100 degrees. So it will be very slow.
Mm.
I will play now. No, something happened.
Mm.
I think it didn't change. Maybe here I need to change. The previous point is more, so the previous point only I need to set. If you look at here, there are 2 points. By mistake, I put in the next point. So no use if I put in next point. Again, I will rotate, I will animate. I press the space bar. Now, this time it is rotating very, very slowly because the value is less in rotate box. Okay. So let's think how we can use this concept in real project. For example, you have some kind of list, bulleted list. Okay. In normal Word document or for a PowerPoint presentation, sometimes we put bullets. It's like 1 to 3 points. So instead of points, you can put these kind of design elements, okay, to get attraction. For example, here you put this one, then you add some text here. Here you copy and add some text here. Copy, add some text here. So it will rotate automatically along with the text. It looks nice. It is not like normal printout. It looks nice. Okay. So that is the use of this one. And not only this scale, position, rotation, there are some more. Actually, this flip is there, but for flip, they did not give keyframe. So we cannot rotate flip. So let me show you something. For example, only this one, if I want to flip in other side, so what I can do, I can just go here. So I go to basic. I can just flip. You see, like this I can do, but this I cannot animate because they did not give the keyframe. Okay, it is only for flipping in real, as a real image. So this one upside down, this is vertically, this is horizontally. Okay, so this is rotation again. Like it rotates like this, left to rotate to left or rotate to right like that. But this one we don't. But sometimes you may need this one. For example, you have a photo in wrong direction. You want to make properly. You want to keep it proper direction. You can make use of this.
Just vertical.
Yeah, this one rotate left.
Vertical. Left.
Rotate left. Rotate right. Of course, it will be like portrait.
Vertical. Portrait.
Yeah. Okay. The next one is very important. This is also nice. We can create nice animations using these options. Okay. So the first one is blend mode. Okay. So before playing with the animations, let's try to understand what is blend mode. Have you ever used blend modes in other software or
no.
Okay. See, blend mode means whatever you place above this one, if we apply that blend mode to the top one, it will blend the colors, it will blend and it will show properly. Okay, let's take this one, this flower we have. Okay, so this flower, if I blend this flower with the back image, how it looks in different blend mode. There are some modes. Okay, let's see the first one. I choose now darken. You see, darken means it gives some kind of, it blends like a darken. The name is darken. Okay. Let's see other one, multiply. In multiply, it looks like this.
This I used in Photoshop actually.
Yeah, the same thing. Same
thing. Okay.
So it will blend with the background. See, this is light and this is screen.
Yeah.
So later, when you are practicing, you try whichever is good for your.
Which one is matching? That one. Yeah.
Okay. Sometimes we can use these things to remove the white background also, but that is not necessary. But mostly we use for changing colors only for a different look. See, this is completely different look. So if I go to this is reset button for anything. Whatever changes you made, if you want to go to the previous step or reset, simply press here. This is original. The one is previous. Okay. So color dodge. looks like this. Okay, now we have this one. So earlier we applied some kind of animation here. If you look at here, so we can also apply the opacity animation. That is also opacity, you know already, I think. So
Yes, it's
initially, yeah. So
transparent.
yes, transparency.